In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add voting options in Google Sheets on desktop. This is a simple way to collect quick responses like yes, no, or abstain right inside your spreadsheet, and it keeps your data clean and consistent. Start by opening your Google Sheet on your desktop browser. Make sure you're in the correct file and on the specific tab where you want to add the voting area. It helps to label a column as vote or something similar so it's clear to everyone what belongs there. Next, select the cells where you want people to vote. You can highlight a single column, a specific range, or even scattered cells if that's how your sheet is structured. Click and drag to select as many rows as you think you'll need. If you're planning ahead for more responses, include extra empty rows now to save time later. With those cells selected, go to the top menu and click Data. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Drop-down. This opens a setup panel that will let you define the choices people can pick from. Using drop-downs is a great approach for voting because it avoids typos, standardizes responses, and makes tallying results much easier. Now, enter your voting options. Type in clear, simple choices, such as yes, no, and abstain. Keep the wording consistent so the results are straightforward to analyze. If you see options fields, add each choice in its own field. Short labels work best, and you can reorder them if you want a specific sequence, like yes at the top. Some versions of this panel let you assign colors to each option. Feel free to pick colors that make the choices easy to scan at a glance, or leave them as the default if you prefer a minimal look. When your options look good, click Done. The selected cells will now display a small drop-down arrow. Try clicking one of those cells to see the list and choose an option. Every selection will be standardized to exactly what you entered, which is perfect for counting and filtering later. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you ever need to adjust your choices, you can return to the same place and update the options to reflect changes in your voting criteria. Also, consider keeping option names short and unambiguous, which helps avoid confusion for collaborators. That's it. Your Google Sheet now has clean, click-to-vote cells ready for responses.